Hey, fifth grade, are you ready for Spring Week 16? This is our last full week of the school year, and this is your last big art grade. At the beginning of the classes for the last few weeks, both in videos and Zooms, I've been trying to go over the tag critique with you. Tell something you like, ask a question, give a suggestion. And today you're going to be playing a game to do with it. And then you'll be doing a critique on someone's artwork. So the next part of this video is going to be instructions on how. But before we do that, I would like to say thank you, fifth grade, for an amazing year. This is the Google Slide instructions for first grade, second grade, and third grade. I know that the upper left-hand corner says first grade, but trust me, this is for all of my grades. In your Seesaw assignment, you've had two links. One is to the YouTube video that you are watching right now. The other one is to the Google Slide presentation where your critique game is. When you click it, you will first see a site that looks like this. You must press the present button at the top and in the right, little fingers pointing to it, before you begin. You must. When you do, you'll hear this.
Hooray! If you can hear my voice, you've hit the present button and you're ready to push the button, Frank.
And then you can push the big green button to start the game. Much later in this game, you will find your actual critique site. This is the part that is your grade. You will watch one of the videos on your page. Again, I'm using the first grade slide presentation as my example, but it will be different for each grade level. Once you've watched the video, you will then click the big button that says click here and listen to the instructions.
Next, you're going to click on the name of the student whose video you watched. You will be taken to a Google form to do a critique. When you are done, you can close that window and click on the words click here to continue.
So since I was looking at hers, I'm going to click her name. And when you come to this site, you do not have to do anything to the first one. That is automatically filled in for you. You do need to put in your first name. You do need to choose your teacher. And you can see that this is actually a all-encompassing from first grade down to fifth grade sheet. So you must find your teacher and put them in before you continue. You do not have to write in a full sentence, but it would be very helpful, and it's a good practice if you do. Remember which ones go where. Then when you are done, after a few more slides, at the very end, you have this slide where you get to pick from the poster, you get to click on posters and discover what game is attached to them. Once you've played with something, or if you get tired, you can close it again and come back and pick another poster.